In this video, I'll show you how to remove Facebook restrictions and check what caused the restriction on your account or page. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the Settings page, look for the Account Status or Support Inbox section and tap on it. Here you can see if your account has any restrictions or warnings from Facebook. Tap the notification related to the restriction to view more details about what happened. Facebook will show which post, comment, or activity violated the guidelines. If you believe the restriction was applied by mistake, you may see an option to request review. Tap this option and follow the steps to submit your appeal. Facebook will review the request and notify you once a decision is made. In some cases, restrictions are temporary and will automatically be removed after a certain period of time. Avoid repeating the same actions that caused the restriction to keep your account safe. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.